Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf retaining bar in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf retaining bar. The door shelf retaining bar is located at the bottom of the fresh food door. It keeps produce on the door shelf. The main reason to replace the retaining bar is if it cracks and won't stay on the door. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the old door shelf retaining bar, we simply pull it up. This is the old door shelf retaining bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door shelf retaining bar, we simply place it in all the way and then push it down. It will lock on the sides. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.